someone told me the Nasi Lemak here is very good, so I ordered. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, the Nasi Lemak is here. Okay, after I finish eating, I will bring you out there to have a look at the station platform. Okay, the old and the new. It's breakfast time and I'm here at the original Kluang Rail Coffee in Kluang Johor, Malaysia. Let's go and take a look. Okay, so this coffee shop, right, has been here since the Kluang railway station was set up. And okay, and at the back, right, you can actually see the tall building. That's the new railway station. Now it's elevated. Later I'll go inside and show you. Okay, and this is the original one, the yellow and blue color, KTM colors. Okay, you can see the original structure. It's still wooden. The walls are all wooden, as I can see from here. The windows, the doors are also wooden. And okay, so this is the queue. Okay, you can see the queue. People are queuing to go in there. It has sort of have become a tourist attraction. Okay, everybody who's driving through will stop by here, or some people will just intentionally come here to have their breakfast. Okay, drink coffee, have their toast. Yeah, or whether they are locals or from other places or even from Singapore, intentionally coming here to have breakfast, or even this just coming here to have breakfast and then go about their day. Okay, let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so there are two areas of sitting inside here and on the outside. Okay, let's go inside here to have a look. Okay, so this is it looks like the original station surroundings, yeah, with the fences, the wired fences, okay, ceiling fans and all that, and the entrance. I was standing there looking inside here, and here's the area, okay, where the Kluang Rail Coffee is. Okay, let's have a look at the menu. Okay. Roti bakar, okay, that's the post, local favorites, merchandisers. Okay, they sell merchandisers. Okay, I think the merchandise are the food lah, 3-in-1, 2-in-1 coffee, kopi unjang, okay, Kluang Railway Coffee. And here's a very cute poster. What's up? The best kopi in Malaysia. Okay, you see, look at this. If you are ever in Kluang, that's the little town north of Johor Bahru, go to Kluang railway station. It's quaint and old and reeks of history and charm. Okay, so I've got here soft boiled eggs, toast, and tea with milk. Okay, I'm going to have a sip of the tea first. I'm going to crack the eggs. Okay, these are kampong eggs. Okay, so there's a choice between normal eggs and kampong eggs. Kampong eggs are smaller. Okay. Looks nice. Then put some soy sauce and pepper. Okay, it's a different kind of sauce here. This is a light soy sauce. the butter is very thick inside. There's butter as well as kaya inside. Okay, usually how I'll eat this, right, is that I'll dip in the runny eggs. And wash it down with the tea. It's really nice. The kaya is also very runny. The kaya here is very runny. Okay, this is how you eat the kaya butter toast with soft boiled egg. Okay, after I finish eating, I will bring you out there to have a look at the station platform. Okay, the old and the new. Someone told me the Nasi Lemak here is very good, so I ordered. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, the Nasi Lemak is here. Small little packet, very small packet. It's so small. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, it looks like there is only rice, chili, okay, ikan bilis and peanuts. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a spoonful again of all the different ingredients. Okay, peanut, ikan bilis, chili and the rice. Okay, and by the way, it feels hot. I think they just prepared it after I ordered, and they prepared it and it feels hot. Okay, so here's a spoonful of it. It's really very good. The ikan bilis is crispy as well as the peanuts. Okay, the rice is soft and moist, and the sambal chili just adds to the flavor. Yeah, good. Kluang Rail Coffee, and oh, I forgot to, I missed this just now. Okay, it's Kluang Rail Coffee celebrating 85 years. Okay, it's actually in the Malaysia Book of Records for being the oldest railway kopitiam in Malaysia since 1938. Okay, let's take a tour of the railway station now. Okay, so to my right, is the coffee shop, which I just had breakfast, and to my left is the ticket counter. Okay, the ticket counter is over here. It's air conditioned now. It used to be not air conditioned, obviously. Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, I came here before, and yeah, it used to look very, very rustic. But anyway, the original building of this station is still intact. All the wooden ceilings, the ceilings are still wooden, and the coffee shop is over there. And here's the station platform. Station platform is still here, the original station platform. Okay. So, yep, it's not a very big station, it's a small station. Serving a small town. Okay. And what does it say here? Terima kasih, jumpa lagi, KTM. And here's where the railway tracks used to be. Okay, and that's the new station. They have elevated the railway tracks as well. The railway tracks and the railway station now is high above. Okay, and well, no more railway tracks on the ground. No more railway tracks. And let's take a look at what all these doors are. But I can't go inside. Okay, this is the ticket office. The ticket office is still here. Okay. So how does this work? So I buy the tickets here, and then there's actually a staircase. There's staircase and a bridge. What does that do? Cross over, and what happens over there? Well, I'm not sure. But how to get up to the station? Yeah, how to get out to the station? Is it operational? Actually, I'm not too sure. So, is it operational? How do we take trains right now? I'm a bit confused. Okay, I suppose the bridge would lead, yeah, the passengers to, but there's no access from here to the station. I have no idea how to get up. But anyway, let's go back to this. So we have the diesel trains. Yeah, the diesel train, the diesel locomotive, and all this looks like electric trains. Okay, here's the old school door. Okay, the walls are still wooden. There's another door here. Let's take a peek inside. Okay, it looks like a storeroom. And oh, that's the toilets. Toilets are over there. Okay, I'm not going into the toilet. Okay. Oh, and I think what does that say? Per Jabat ticket. I think that's the old ticket counter. I think this is the old ticket counter. Per Jabat ticket. Okay, let's just walk down and towards the staircase right in front. And to my left, there are people sitting there and waiting for, I'm not so sure. It feels very surreal, like they have luggages and all that. But there is no railway tracks on this side. No railway tracks over here. So what are they waiting for? I'm not too sure. They probably have just arrived and they're waiting for their cars, okay, their drivers to pick them up. Yeah. And yeah, that looks like a station staff in front, right in front over there in a dark blue uniform. Or is that a security or police officer? Yeah, I'm not too sure. Okay, there's another poster over here that says Kluang Rail Coffee. Okay, the oldest railway kopitiam. And over here it says Keretapi Tanah Melayu. Okay, very interesting. And okay, so it says Ke platform. Okay, it says only passenger have a ticket and can go up there. Okay, so I've just asked the security and he said yes, I'm correct, so take this bridge across and then walk over to the new station. And there's a locomotive, there's a diesel locomotive that's coming by. It looks like a maintenance train. Oh, but it's all up there now, so we can't really get close and feel the rumble of the train on the ground. No more railway tracks here. Yep, it's quite a waste for railway fans. So if you're a railway fan, what do you think? How do you feel, right, about this modernization of railway system, railway stations, railway being elevated up in the air instead of being on the ground? Let me know in the comments.